Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. No man is good enough to govern another man without that other's consent. I say this is the leading principle, the sheet anchor of American republicanism, as I would not be a slave, so I would not be a master. This expresses my idea of democracy, the one victory we can ever call complete will be that one which proclaims that there is not one slave or one drunkard on the face of God's green earth. If slavery is not wrong, nothing is wrong. Be with a leader when he is right, stay with him when he is still right, but leave him when he is wrong. You cannot help people permanently by doing for them what they could and should do for themselves. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. You can't make a weak man strong by making a strong man weak. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. Public sentiment is everything. With public sentiment, nothing can fail. Without it, nothing can succeed. America will never be destroyed from the outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we destroyed ourselves. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Those who write clearly have readers. Those who write obscurely have commentators. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his aren't very new after all. Education does not mean teaching people what they do not know. It means teaching them to behave as they do not behave. A capacity and taste for reading gives access to whatever has already been discovered by others. All I have learned, I learned from books. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. The greatest fine art of the future will be the making of a comfortable living from a small piece of land. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Character is like a tree and reputation its shadow. The shadow is what we think it is and the tree is the real thing. The better part of one's life consists of his friendships. It's not me who can't keep a secret. It's the people I tell that can't. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. Whatever you are, be a good one.